A wedding is a lively event that brings together not just two people, but whole families and communities. It's a celebration of honor, family, and being together, where everyone from older folks to kids takes part. The journey to getting married is a careful process, with each step teaching lessons about being responsible and helping each other. Old customs make sure the couple is welcome, filling the air with music, bright colors, and happiness. Weddings honor ancestors and ask for their good wishes, marking a hopeful beginning for the couple. In Burkinabé culture, raising a family is a team effort, and the wedding is the official start of the shared journey. These customs have been passed down for many generations, keeping our culture alive and strong. Imagine a village square full of drums, laughter, and people in their best clothes. This is what a Burkinabé wedding feels like. The ceremonies are more than just old ways of doing things. Through these traditions, we celebrate love, being together, and the connections that tie us all. This story will show you the steps before, during, and after the wedding, explaining the deep meanings behind each custom. You'll see why these customs are very important to who we are as the land of honest people. It's a story of love, family, and the lasting strength of community. Welcome to the heart of Burkina Faso. The path to marriage begins with the knocking on the door, a formal visit by the groom's family to the bride's home. This carefully planned event shows honor and serious intentions. The groom's family brings gifts like cola nuts, symbols of peace and friendship, to start the conversation. Both families introduce themselves and share their past. The groom's family talks about his character, while the bride's family listens closely. The bride's family considers the groom's reputation within the community, highlighting that marriage is never just a private matter. If satisfied, they invite the groom's family for a second visit, showing they are ready to move forward, building the marriage on trust and honor. The knocking on the door is the first step in uniting two families, setting the stage for what follows. Only then can they discuss the dowry. In Burkina Faso, marriage starts with mutual respect and community involvement, strengthening families and communities. Families talk about the dowry. It includes things like farm animals, grain, and traditional clothes, each showing good for both sides discuss the dowry, looking for a fair agreement that honors both families. The process is respectful and careful, aiming for balance. When they agree, the dowry is given in a happy public ceremony. This event is a celebration, with music, food, and the community watching. Giving the dowry marks the official joining of the families and how serious the promise is. It's a proud moment for the groom's family, and a way for dowry tradition makes family bonds and community ties stronger. It's a public statement of being together and showing honor. Through this custom, the couple's future is blessed by the support of both families. The dowry is not about the money, but about honoring tradition and building lasting connections. With the dowry done, the way is clear for the wedding celebration. The community gets ready. The wedding day bursts with color, music, and joy, bringing the whole community together. The bride and groom wear traditional clothes, fancy handmade fabrics and jewelry that show their heritage and new standing. The ceremony mixes old customs and celebration, with older people giving advice and good wishes for the couple's future. The bride being given to the groom's family and ministers are honored, and their blessings are asked for the new marriage. Music and dance fill the day, with djembe drums and balafon rhythms inviting everyone to join in. Dancing is both a celebration and a way to show community support for the couple. The party can last all day, sometimes longer, with non-stop music and movement. A big feast is prepared. Dishes like stew, rice, beans, and grilled meat are shared by all. Sharing food shows unity and being welcoming. No guest is turned away. The feast thanks the community for their help and spreads happiness to everyone there. The wedding is more than just a party. Together, teaches and celebrates. Through music, dance, and food, the community strengthens its bonds and welcomes the new couple. The celebration marks the start of a shared couple's real journey begins, marked by new roles and duties. The groom becomes the head of his home, responsible for providing and leading. The bride joins her husband's family, taking care of the home and raising children in the ways of her culture. Both gain new respect and standing in the community. They are guided by older people, mothers, aunts, fathers, and uncles, who offer wisdom and help. The couple is never alone. The extended family and community help them build a strong marriage. Their success is seen as something everyone achieved together. The couple is expected to take part in community life, helping neighbors and joining in events. This involvement makes their place in the community stronger and ensures they get help when needed. Marriage is not just a private thing. It's woven into the fabric of community life. Through shared responsibility and support, the couple and their community grow stronger together. This network of care is the foundation of Burkinabé society. The journey of marriage is a shared adventure, supported by everyone. Burkinabé wedding traditions are more than just ceremonies. They show the main values of being together, showing honor, family, and community. The long process of talking and customs builds lasting connections between families and villages. Honor is shown at every step, from formal visits to the careful exchange of the dowry. The bride honors her new family, and older people pass down wisdom to guide the couple. Family is central. Marriage is a family matter, not just a personal choice. Older people's advice during the ceremony connects generations and keeps traditions alive. The wedding is a happy way to confirm life keeps going and the strength of family bonds. Community involvement is very important. Everyone takes part, making social ties stronger. A Burkinabé saying goes, "It takes a village to raise a child and to support a marriage." The wedding is a public promise, with the community as witnesses and protectors. This group support helps couples face challenges and keep society strong. Through these traditions, the values of being together and showing honor are passed on. The wedding is a living lesson in how powerful being together can be. Burkinabé weddings are a lively way to show cultural identity and community strength. Every step, from the first knock to the final dance, brings families and neighbors together. These traditions teach honor, being together, and how important family is. Values that last through many generations. Even as times change, the heart of these ceremonies stays the same, guiding young couples and connecting the community. Weddings are living lessons, passing on old wisdom and celebrating shared joy. Our happiness is tied to everyone's well-being, keeping our society strong and united. By honoring these customs, we keep our culture's flame burning brightly. The Burkinabé wedding is a celebration that welcomes families and communities in a happy connection. These ceremonies are the heartbeat of our culture, passed down through generations. By keeping these traditions alive, we make sure unity, honor, and family will guide us for years to come.